I took a flight for the paddock. You sent me all so dramatic. I guess anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Back to another one and only Simone Nicole with locks, and I sound lit, period. So in this video, I'll be taking you guys with me to run some errands. I have a new tripod at the moment. I got it from a liquidation store. It was like $6. Uh-oh. It was like $6 for this tripod, and it's a handheld and it also extends. I'm gonna post a TikTok about it, so if you want to see what I'm talking about, go ahead and watch that TikTok, and I'll put the brand of the tripod. It's very useful when it comes to vlogging because it's not so big and it can fit in a purse. This is not my everyday tripod that I use for vlogging, but this is the one I'm using for today because I'll be using the camera out in like, I guess you could say, kind of a far away distance, not up close. So I'm gonna put the camera down at some parts of the day. But the first thing on the to-do list today is we're going to go get my eyebrows done. You probably can't tell because there's a filter from the camera, but my unibrow has been growing, and I've been letting my eyebrows grow out because I wanted to get them what is it called, I wanted to get the combo micro, is it called microblading, or is that the face? I want to get my eyebrows done, the permanent tattoo basically, which is really temporary because it lasts maybe 5 to 10 years and then you have to get it redone, but that's still a pretty long time. But I want to get that done, but I haven't been able to find someone in the time frame that also allows me to go on a day that I'm available. So I'm going back to what I know. I'm going back to what I know, which is Ulta Beauty, because they always do a phenomenal job. So I'm gonna get my eyebrows waxed and tinted, honey. So that's what we're doing today. And yeah, I'll show you guys the process and how it looks. And then after that, I'll be going to Starbucks because I haven't had anything to eat today and I really want a pink drink and either a croissant sandwich or the Impossible sandwich or the spinach feta wrap, spinach something wrap. But yeah, it's payday, so on payday you treat yourself to Starbucks, period. So I'm gonna head there now, take you guys with me. So let's get going, girls and guys. Hey you guys, so I made it to Ulta. Can you guys see it? You probably can't see it, it's too much light. I made it to Ulta. My appointment is at 12:10. It's 11:49 at the moment. So I'm gonna head in there and see if I can go ahead and just set my camera up so I can vlog for you guys. But yeah, can y'all even tell? Y'all can't even really see my eyebrows with this filter on. Just know there's hair, and as you can see, like, it's kind of see-through. It's not as full as I'd want it to be, and it kind of fades off at the end. It's not sharp. I've been growing my eyebrows out, I want to say, since last year, basically since last year. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check this off the to-do list for today. The brow lady isn't there yet, but my appointment's not until 12:10 anyways. So I'm gonna walk around a little plaza. There's a Michael's here, and I'm gonna see if that bag, that viral moss bag, is in here, honey, because I think it's hilarious. And, you know, I love purses, as y'all know, on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna see if they have it in here. So let's see. Oh look, $1.99 special. Got some more flowers. More flowers. I think it should be over here. Let's see. Excuse me. Uh-oh, I think we're getting closer. There it is. Can y'all see it? About $7 some change. That's what's up. $7.50 for the moss bag. Now, I don't really see myself wearing this, and plus it's shedding already. Like, you see that? It's doing a lot with the shedding. I don't know, personally, but it's a nice size, and it's lined. And it's lined with this material, which you could probably put your own material inside of it as well. It's pretty deep. Let's see. Let's put my my phones in it. That's hilarious. That's real hilarious. Okay. Let's see how it looks on the body. That's so funny to me. I gotta show my sister this. For today, my pochette accessory, Louis Vuitton. This is actually a nice size. It's kind of cute. So the bag, the bottom part is definitely like not super structured. I don't know what's in here. It's like this part is super soft and then it gets hard, and then this part is super soft and it gets hard again. So I don't know what they, oops, let me not drop my phones. But yeah, what y'all think? How does it look? Up close, it's actually giving what, you know, what you would think you would give. But I don't know. I don't think it's my cup of tea to be wearing outside, but for festivals or like decoration or like Easter or just like there's a theme party you're going to that'll make perfect sense, especially for springtime. This is definitely cute. It's definitely rough. It's giving rough. It's giving you gonna be ashy.
Patience ain't no virtue with you. Gotta waste it, spending time facing around and it's cool. Waving bitches on the side and from my mama them too. You relentless nigga. I don't need friends. On me, coming like you with confessions. You up like a lab, bitch, looking you up, baby. Coming like you with prayers and it's only back on me. You know the difference between me and chickens.
Okay, y'all, so we back. Do y'all see my eyebrows, honey? If I was worried about see-through or being too skinny, honey, it's there. They are there. Now the thing is with tint, it's easy to wipe them off. I can clean it up myself. I've been through this many times. I know how to, you know, use the oil. Oh, whose car is that? I see somebody's car. That's hilarious. Who is that? Y'all look what I see. Y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Where they going? Hold on, y'all. I gotta go catch them. Let's go catch them. Where they go? Let's go catch them real quick. I wanna go catch them. So y'all can see the car. There they go. Over there. They leaving. They leaving. Who is that? Who is that over there? Can y'all see the car? That's what I do. So yeah, if you are an eyebrow babe that likes to have full, luscious, thick brows, go to Savannah, hit her up. If you're someone who wants more of a natural, not glam look, don't go. This to me is more for like a glam beat, so it'll look really good once I do put my lashes on, my makeup. It's gonna look real nice, but I definitely want to go in and make the front more of a fade, like an ombre effect. I prefer that. I thought I told her that, maybe I did not, but yeah, this is her. What do y'all think? Is it giving or is it not giving? It's definitely a it's definitely a difference from what it was before. The thing is, she did make a match. I want to say that though. She did make them look exactly the same, which is hard to do because my eyebrows are definitely not the same. They don't grow the same either. But yep. So now we're gonna go to Starbucks. I haven't had anything to eat and it's 12:52. I'm gonna go to Starbucks and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel because I have some stuff I have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and post some TikToks and I got a package I need to pick up. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so now that I'm back, I have something in my stomach. I'm back from my eyebrow appointment. Let's talk about it. So, eyebrows with Simone. Eyebrows 101 with Simone, honey. So let's talk about it. Savannah was cool. She was such a great person to just talk to while getting my eyebrows done. The conversation was chill. She also has a skincare business. She told me about the page on Instagram and I'll post it up here for you guys to see it. So with that being said, she did what needed to be done. She did. She really did. Now I'm just not used to it because it's been so long since I've gotten my eyebrows done. But I do want to say that I was growing them out purposely because I thought I wanted to get them microbladed, and I don't know, she was trying to convince me not to, only because she said they fade like a tattoo, like a normal tattoo would, and they'll fade like gray or black, or I mean more gray than black. I never thought about that. But yeah, so I was growing them out, and my eyebrows aren't twin sisters. They're just regular sisters. They don't look alike all the time. Most of the time they don't, unless I get a really good girl who can make them look exactly alike. But I'm not really pressed on that. I'm more pressed on the shape and the thickness of the appearance, and especially the front. So I was trying to show you guys earlier how there was a unibrow there, and now it's not there because she waxed, of course. So I got a wax service, and I got them plucked, and I got them tinted, and she mixed brown and black. I told her to mix brown and black because that's what they normally do for me. What else? The price came out to be around $42, I believe. I tipped $10, that's including the tip. But I also got $8 deducted because I had Ulta points saved up that I could take off $8 from the service. So I think it ran probably around $35 or $40 for the actual service to get your eyebrows waxed and tinted at any Ulta, because it's a chain. Ulta has eyebrow girls at every location, for those who didn't know. But yeah, so my eyebrows are growing out, and they do naturally grow long. So I have very long eyebrows, and they're naturally thick, and they naturally have a shape. And I get told this all the time when I get my eyebrows done. Oh, you have a nice shape. Okay, this is gonna be pretty easy. Oh, you have beautiful eyebrows. You don't even need much work. The thing is, I don't need a lot added on. I just need help with defining them because they grow so unruly that it grows more than what's necessary. So Savannah didn't really take a lot off. She kind of just used what I had and just worked with it, and just basically she said the tint is where my hairs are. So sometimes I'll go somewhere and they'll take off more than usual than they would for a normal person who isn't as hairy as I am. So because I'm hairier, my eyebrow silhouette is like a lot larger and naturally thicker. But usually I like it when they dim it down. But I mean, maybe this is gonna be a new look for me. I do feel like it is a bit longer than I naturally would want it to be. Well, not naturally, because naturally they are long, but it's just more defined now, because before they weren't as opaque. Before they were a lot see-through and, like, you know, sparse because they weren't filled in. But I'll prefer, as you can see, if I angle this going straight up. That's how I do my liquid liners. I start here and just angle up, and it goes kind of through that little piece at the end. So I would prefer like maybe 2 centimeters of this to be taken off, even though that's how far my hair grows. Just because my hair grows that far doesn't necessarily mean I want it to be there. You feel me? Because my hair grows all the way in between here, but that doesn't mean I want it to be there. So she also could have taken more off. To my liking, I would have preferred her to take more off of the inner, but because the hair was there, she filled it in with the tint, which, you know, of course. And there's no unibrow, so usually what we just want no unibrow, and we want it to be tinted. But I'm very specific when it comes to my eyebrows. I didn't really give her a whole lot of direction because I saw her eyebrows on her face and I was like, oh, those are cute. do you get yours tinted and waxed or whatever? And she was like, oh no, this is just pencil. And I was like, okay. So I just assumed she was gonna make my eyebrows look like hers. They don't look like hers, but they don't look bad. Like, they look like a glam eyebrow, but I was going more for an everyday eyebrow, but that's okay because it's temporary. It's gonna fade. And she did give me a heads up. She likes to tint the eyebrows a lot darker than because it's gonna fade, and she doesn't want it to like be 2 days and now they're back to normal. So I'm sure it's gonna take me probably like a week or two to get back to my regular tint, my natural tint. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and really talk about it. The arch is there. She did a really good job shaping it, in my opinion, and there's no hairs outside of the brow frame, so she did a really good job. They're just dark because it's the first day, and they're just thick. I just would recommend anyone who gets the eyebrows done just to make sure that they do the ombre, because as you can see, my natural hair really starts, my eyebrow is supposed to start here, but because I'm hairy, it goes in further. So she tinted this area. I just think she just went a little bit too heavy-handed, because I don't prefer the box look. A lot of girls do, and that's probably why she did it like this, because it's probably trending to have your eyebrows done like this, especially with the lamination style. If you know, you be out here doing it. Y'all be out here with the lamination, and to me it gives a little bit of an electrocuted look, and I don't want to go for that look. But for those who do, that's cute on you, girl. But she didn't laminate them, but it's just, it's giving very much a full grown brow. I'm not mad at it, because a lot of people are paying way more just to have brows. I'm paying to get them removed. So yeah, I just want to come here and talk about it with y'all, just so we can get a real deep understanding. I can talk about brows all day, and lashes. Whew, don't get me started on the type of lash work that I've received from different girls and businesses. I love to go to Amazing Lash Studio. I haven't been in a while, but then again, with that, you don't really get a steady result. It's like playing roulette, because for me, because I travel a lot, it really doesn't matter. I have to find someone that I want when I get to a place in my life where I'm not traveling so much. So in the meantime, this is what we're working with. We're just gonna have to get what we get and then fix it at home. I'm a pro at that. I've become a pro at fixing it at home. So yeah, we're gonna head to our next appointment, which is at 3, and right now it's 2:30, and we're gonna go to Hand and Stone, and we're gonna get a facial, and I'm gonna ask if I can record. I have 4 hours left on this SSD card, and there's 35% battery life, so I think I'm gonna charge it up. I really don't have that much time to charge it, but it's only like 10 minutes from me, I think. Let me see, the nearest Hand and Stone. And that'll be it for today after that appointment, and then I'll take you guys to my next appointment, which is going to be tomorrow morning. I'm going to also do a separate vlog of that. I'm going to be getting my hair done. That's another thing. I feel like these brows, you have to get your hair done. Your hair needs to be done. And that's my alarm clock, so I gotta go. Bye. In the video?
Yeah, Magali.
Okay, cool. So do I need to...
Yes. So we're just going to go over it really quick right now. So just go ahead and have a seat.
Okay.
Alright, so you already said you basically pretty much received the Diamond Glow already before in the past. And you haven't had no waxing on the face, no chemical peels, nothing too invasive on the skin lately?
I did get a wax this morning.
On the face?
Eyebrow wax.
Okay, this morning?
Yes.
Alright, gotcha. So just to precautions, we won't be exfoliating around that area.
Okay.
Normally with the Diamond Glow, we do the pass around the eyebrows. So just because you did wax, basically it is another method of exfoliation. I will not be touching that area.
I don't know why these hoes can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding when they hit a double coat the candy. I'm so high, no landing. Keep my neck like they're steady. Working this shit confetti. They all let it go on the telly. They all wanna rub my belly. I got my dogs out on pop it at the reef.